Oh my God, she's reaching to get whipped cream. What happened? What'd you get? You want whipped cream? You like it?
Yes, it's good.
Is it good?
Yes,
Okay, got it. Here, drink.
Okay.
You like it? Get it, mom. Okay, valto piso. Valto piso. Look how long it takes her to open the fridge. It's so cute. Okay, va toccato on the floor. And now open the fridge. Go, pull, hang. She's moved.
Mommy, I win again! Mommy, I win again!
She opened the wrong one. She said, uh-oh. It's okay. Oh, anixeto allo. Open the other one. Go ahead. You can do it. You did it before.
Be strong like me.
Go ahead. Open. Use your mano. 2 manos. 2 hands. Go. Put your 2 hands. Where there's a will, there's a way. She opened that all by herself before. Beba, put the crema back.
I love you. It's just my hand.
Vato crema gatto and open the fridge.
That's what I was good.
She's like, while I'm waiting, let me have more. Beba, vato crema gatto. Vato gatto. Okay, now open the fridge. Good girl. Pull your 2 hands. You hurt yourself? Your foot's okay? You sexy? Oh my God, she did hurt herself. How did you do that, Beba? Let mommy fix it, okay? How'd you do that? You got boo-boo, Beba?
That hurt. When Curry gets here, I'm going to tell him. How do you do that? Boo, boo. How do you did it? Boo, boo. No, how do you did it? Boo, boo.
How did you do that?
It? Boo, boo.
Help her open the fridge.
Bella, how did you open the fridge?
Slowly. Help her. Don't do it for her. Just help her.
Okay. Oh, I'll help you. I'll help you. It's not like that. Like this. Yeah.
5 minutes later. Okay, guys, close the fridge. It's cold. Bravo!